Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use a compass. All you have to do is to go through your phone and search for the application called Compass. After you have pressed on it, you should be able to see this kind of interface. For the numbers you are seeing at the bottom of your phone, these numbers are called coordinates. They show you where you are or the position at which you are going. This in the middle is what we call a compass. It's used to show us directions. For the above, it's just the name of the direction on the compass. We know a compass has 4 directions, namely, north, south, east and west. It will show you on which direction you will be at. Thanks for watching.